Hi guys, Sam here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and customize customer service AI chatbot on Aivino.ai. And then we're going to embed this AI in Wix.com, okay, on your official website. People have been asking me how to embed it. I'm just going to show you in this video. We got a website here that is built with Wix. What we're gonna do is we are gonna embed a AI chatbot that embeds all the FAQ questions so that customers can get answers 24/7. So the first step is always prompt writing. You can input all the FAQ questions, customer service histories in the prompt here and save it. You can fine tune it. You can test the reliability of this AI bot in your lab, and you can ask like what is your contact information? And you can ask where is Easttown's headquarters? Okay, great. In Fuzhou and Hong Kong, it answered perfectly. So what we're going to do is that the second step, since we finished the second step, fine-tuning, we're going to save and deploy. We save this as a bot. We say Easttown customer service and description bot on Wix.com. We save it. Once we save the bot, you can find it here. You can find it here or here. We click the deploy button and then choose the right bot. Okay, customize, select the bot, and we're going to choose Easttown customer service bot. And then we click this button. It says copy. Copy. Let's see. And go to the dashboard of Wix.com and click setting, custom code, and let's try to embed by adding the code. We're going to paste it here and set the main domain. Set it all pages, load code once, and say body and apply.
5 minutes later.
So once you embed the code, you can simply find an icon right here in your website and start asking questions and say, how do I contact sales representative? And I got 2 emails. So thank you for watching.